In this video, I'll talk about MouseListener. How to use MouseListener in Java. MouseListener is required whenever you want to track event related to the mouse. In the MouseListener interface, there are 5 different methods. We have to define those 5 different methods. The first one is mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse released, mouse pressed, and mouse clicked. Now let's start coding. Class mouse demo implements mouse listner. Now let's create object of JFrame. Public mouse demo. We can create frame object like this. JFrame equal JFrame f is equal to JFrame mouse movement. This is the title to the frame. Now let's specify dot set visible true, dot set default close operation j frame dot exit on close, then size. Okay, size is necessary. Dot set size 400 by 400 by 400. No. Then cf dot set location relative to null. Then what else I have to, okay, cf dot set layout new flow layout. Okay, we have specified properties for this frame window. Now we will be adding action listener to this, not action listener, mouse listener to this frame object. Add mouse listener this. Okay, now we have to define those methods. Public void mouse clicked. This will take mouse event as parameter. Me Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Mouse click, then mouse entered, then mouse exited, then mouse pressed, then mouse released. Okay, these are the 5 methods we have to define. These are the part of this mouse listener. Now let's use only one of them, mouse clicked. Let's make object of graphics. G is equal to f.get graphics. Okay, then G dot draw rectangle, rounded rectangle will be better. How many? Okay, simple, do simple things fast. Rect. Then now we can track the mouse position with the help of this mouse event object. Mouse me dot get yaksh, that will give the position of the mouse. Me dot get y. Now let's specify the size of rectangle as 30 by 30, 30 width 30. Then no, I don't need this. Why is this coming? 30 by 30. Now what I'm trying to do is as the mouse is click on this frame, the coordinate of mouse we will get with the help of this mouse event object. me.getx, me.getY, that will provide x and y coordinate of the mouse. Wherever we click on the container, at that particular positions, xy coordinate will be returned by getx and getY methods of mouse event object. Then we are specifying width and height, that is 30 by 30. Now when we click on the container, we will get the rectangle. Okay, now let's draw this main, no, not draw, let's define this main method. Public static void main. Now listen to mouse demo. Okay, now let's save this. Let's check if there is any red line. No red lines. Now let's compile this. Java C mouse underscore demo.java. Okay, fine. Now there is a nothing is there in this container. Okay, as we click here, we are getting the rectangle. So this, in this mouse clicked method, we have created the graphic object with the help of frame object get graphics. This method is part of container, and using this get graphics we create the graphic objects, and using this graphic object we are creating the rectangle, and rectangle will be created on the container where we click. Okay, in this way we can create the rectangles. Wherever we click mouse on this container, rectangle will be drawn. Okay, I think that is a simple code and simply understandable. Thank you very much for listening.